Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we have a really good video because you're going to get paid just to try out basically Verizon's network or US Mobile, which is actually one of the carriers that I'm using right now. So US Mobile is a very good carrier. I like it. I've been using them for about a year now, and their plans have just improved and gotten better, and you get perks and everything. So like I said, US Mobile, very good prepaid carrier and gives you priority data and all that good stuff. But we'll get more into that with this promo. So right up on the top, once you go to usmobile.com, you can see get 50 days free and up to $100 prepaid card when you transfer your number. So if you port your number over from a competing carrier, guys, you will get 50 days free of service. Plus, once it's over, you will get a $100 prepaid card basically in the mail, which is really nice, guys. They did have another promotion where it was like 40 days and you only got $25. This time it's 50 days of free service. And basically they have so much trust and guarantee that you will like their network that they will give you a $100 gift card for trying it out. So why not? It's kind of like getting a free sample at Sam's Club or Costco. If you like it so much, you'll buy it, and boom, there you go. So $100 is not a bad investment for them. So let's get into it. As you can see here, it is 50-day trial free plus a $100 prepaid gift card. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now this does come with 50 gigabytes of data plus unlimited talk, text, and like I said, 50 gigs of data. Let's go ahead and get started for free. But you will be able to see it here. So pretty cool. Now, like I said, we will look at terms and conditions and everything, but it's unlimited talk, text, and data, 5G millimeter wave plus C-band. Of course, that's going to be on Verizon's network, or it could be on T-Mobile's, whichever. But I believe, at least for my experience, I usually get the Verizon's network. 50 gigabytes of premium data, which is plenty. It's a lot, guys. I haven't ran through 50 at maybe 20, 25, but 50 is a lot. Free starter kit and instant activation with eSIM. So pretty cool. You just put in your phone and do a BYOD, bring your own device, and start using the service. So you can also get a free kit that does take, I believe, ships within three to 7 business days, which is not bad at all. It's pretty quick, and then you will put that into your phone. So see terms and conditions. So it says get 50 days free with 50 gigabytes of data and unlimited talk and text through the entire trial period when you transfer your number. Get a $50 prepaid card after 12 months of continuous paid service. Okay, so this one is 12 months. The other one was right after. So this one says get a $50 prepaid card after 12 months of continuous paid service on one of the Warp 5G or GSM unlimited data or shareable plans. So basically, this one is saying, guys, you'll get 50 days free of service. After that, if you have 1 year, if you do 12 payments or 12 months, boom, boom, on continuous payments, you will get a $50 card, which is not bad. I mean, they're saying, hey, you're going to like it so much. After a year, you're going to keep it. So, like I said, you really got to see the fine print because it just says a free prepaid card, but you get to read the fine print, so which is not bad at all. So it says get a $50 prepaid card after 12 months of continuous paid service on one of the Warp 5G or GSM unlimited data plans. Port in a second line on a paid plan, minimum $10 a month, to get another $50 on the prepaid card after 12 months. So basically, you get $50 for one line, and then $50 for another line. If you activate another line, it could be on at least a $10 a month plan, and after a year, you will get another $50. So that's how you get the $100 card. Like I said, you really got to read the fine print because it sounds way too good to be true, and a little bit of it is. But as long as you port a number over, you get and do 1 year of service, you get a $50 card, and you do a second line because you can add multiple lines. Minimum of $10 a month plan, you can as well get a second $50 card, so that will make the $100 card. So paid service must start within 2 days of the end of the free trial. New customers only. 50 days free, limited to one line for new users, may not be available / combined with other offers and promos. The prepaid card is valid through the expiration date shown on the card, at which time any unused balance on the card will also expire. So not too bad, guys. Still, like I said, if you want Verizon's network, Never have issues. Like I said, I've used US Mobile. I'm not affiliated with them. They're not paying me to make this video. Hey, but $100 gift card, well worth it. Like I said, you get $50 if you sign up. Get 50 days free. After that, if you stick with them 1 year, you get $50 for just doing that, which you will. And then if you add a second line and same thing, you have continuous service and you're making payments on time, you will get a second $50 card. So boom, $100. Not bad at all. So clever advertising, but always read the fine print. That's what I'm here for, to do these videos and let you know. So not bad at all. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Quick video for you guys. Hopefully you liked it. Check out in the description below where you can support the channel in many ways. So check it out. Thank you, guys.